Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Today we going to see quotation module in Tally ERP9. Quotation means price offered by market or maker for the sale or purchase of the stock. Customer offering to sell goods or service at a certain price under the specified condition. A quotation is used to let a potential customer know the cost of goods or service before they decide to purchase them. We go quotation module in Tally ERP9. Go to Tally. We create new company. Save it. Then F12, F11, add-on feature, enable quotation module, yes, then save it. It will ask, do you want create auto setup features? Yes. Here is available quotation process setup. You click quotation process setup. It will ask voucher types. You set voucher type quotation. You will select the quotation voucher and sales order voucher, delivery note voucher, and sales voucher. Then save it. Then go to Getty of Tally. Here available quotation voucher, transaction, quotation, reverse quotation, sales order, delivery note, sales, and report pending quotation, all quotation, quotation. First we go to quotation. We create party Mr. ABC, sundry debtor, bill is enable, yes, contact person Mr. ABC, phone number, mobile number, then mail ID, then save it. It will come attention for mobile number and email ID. If you need to change, you can change it. Then we select item, inventory part, create item, iPhone X, and unit pieces, and set standard rate 50,000. Save it and purchase 100 quantity, and next Samsung S10 pieces, set standard rate 40,000. Then save it. Then we under 240,000 rupees. Then save it. Then go to Getty of Tally, pending quotation available, quotation number column, date, stock item names, quotation quantity, sales order number, customer name, sales order quantity, sales order rate, sales order value, and last balance quantity, how much balance is available. First we received only we send only quotation, any order we not raised. Then we go to order, sales order, create sales order, select that quotation number, save it, sales account. We take 100 quantity, only received 75 first, we order only 75, Samsung 200 only. Then you can save it. Then go to Getty of Tally. We see pending quotation, that report available, iPhone X 100 quantity, we quotation we give 100 quantity and order we raised 75 only, 25 balance is available. That's why it will show in pending quotation report. All quotation report it will show pending as well as closed order values. Here we don't have any balance value, that's also it will show here. Then we go to sales order, select ABC, it will show order number. Then we select that order number and select that particular iPhone item, how many remaining quantity, it will automatically came here. Then you can save it. Then go to Getty of Tally, pending quotation, there is no pending quotation available. Then we see second process, we raise another one quotation ABC, select iPhone X 50 quantity, Samsung 100 quantity, save it. Then customer asked the revised proposal for rate, then we give the revised proposal from customer. Then we click revise quotation, select whichever quotation you want revise, you can click the revise, then it will open. Then already we got 15,000, client is asked only 48,000, then we will give revise 48,000. Samsung also they asked 39,000, and we revise the quotation, then save it. Then we go into pending quotation. Pending quotation it will show only new quotation, not in previous quotation. Previous quotation is show old quotation here. If you want you will see, otherwise leave it. Then go to sales order ABC, it will come here showing 2. Already we send the quotation to version 1.1. This is we think this is new quotation, that's why revised quotation we will send there. Save it, then save. Go to Tally, pending, no pending available, all quotation we receive the all quantity. Then we go to delivery note, Mr. ABC, save it. Then go to sales, save it. Then we go to check outstanding statement, display account books, outstanding ledger ABC, here outstanding statement is available. Then we need to take receipt, we need to take payment, bill settlement, cash received on date, it will open receipt voucher, then how much received amount, we received full amount, then we will save that. Otherwise partial means we can do partial. Then we don't have any outstanding balance from the customer. If you want quotation module, command your mail ID below the comment box, otherwise send to mail us agstechedge@gmail.com. If you are watching first time in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. You will share with friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment our channel. Thank you for watching our channel.